Good morning, everybody. Honorable Saurabh Vijay, the Principal Secretary, Higher and Technical Education, Government of Maharashtra. Honorable Professor Dr. Muralidhar Tandekar, the Vice Chancellor, Sant Gadge Baba, Amravati University, Amravati. Honorable Dr. Dhanraj Mane, sir, Director, Higher Education, Government of Maharashtra. Director and convener of the International Conference on Sustainable Development, a biological and a socio-economical perspective, Dr. Vasant Halavi Reddy, the head of the department and the organizing secretary of the conference, Professor K.G. Patil sir, all organizing joint secretaries, organizing members, and all the dear delegates. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic that is concerned with the sustainable development. The topic of my presentation is sustainable development in contrast with biological perspectives. Friends, as we know that biodiversity, the diversity of life in Earth, is defined as variability among living organisms from all sources, including the diversity within the species, between the species, and the ecosystem. So, biodiversity is the diversity of the life on the earth. The life on the earth, as we know, that it has been existed in 4.3 billion years ago, and it has a large diversity. So the diversity forms the foundation, the vast array of ecosystem service that critically contributes to human well-being. Diversity is important in human management as well as natural ecosystem. Bio- Biodiversity thus includes not only the millions of different species on the earth, but it has a different type of the ecosystems. And these ecosystems are generally the marine ecosystem, the terrestrial, the different type of the forest ecosystem, the wetland ecosystem, the grass ecosystem, the desert ecosystem. So there are variety of the ecosystems are there. Now, when we are talking about these ecosystem, it has its own importance and significance because they render different type of services to us. The importance of this biodiversity, it provides different type of the services like provisioning services such as food, the water, the timber, the fiber. These are considered as the provisioning services. Now, the next type of the services that biodiversity gives us, that is in the form of regulating services, such as the regulation of the climate, the floods, the diseases, the wastes, and water quality. Another type of the services are cultural services, such as recreation, aesthetic enjoyment, and spiritual fulfillment. And the another type of the service that is considered is the supportive service, such as soil formation, photosynthesis, and the nutrient cycling. Why biodiversity is essential? Friends, as we know that it supports the human health, it provides jobs in agriculture, in fisheries, in forestry, and many other sectors. So without effective measure to conserve this biodiversity and use of its component in a sustainable manner, so that's why it is very essential to conserve this biodiversity. So the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development will not be achieved unless and until we are not going to use these resources in a sustainable manner. There are different type of the components of the good health. So human well-being consists of five different type of the components. The basic material need for good life, health, good, good social relations, security, and freedom of choice and action. Human well-being is result of many factors, mainly directly or indirectly. They are concerned with the biodiversity and the ecosystem services, while others are independent of this. Now, when we are talking about conservation of this biodiversity, we know. that why there is need to conserve it. Because when we see the current global scenario, the extinction of this species is taking place. The changes in the biodiversity is due to human activity. The anthropogenic activities were more rapid in past 50 years, and that at any time in human history, the drives of change that causes biodiversity loss and leads to changes in ecosystem services are either stable, show no evidence of declining over time, or any increasing in the intensity. So when we see the current scenario of the extinction of the species, we have came to know that from all the different type of the phylums, the species it has shown the declination. Now for that only, there should be the sustainable use of the biodiversity. This sustainable use of this biodiversity we can do at three spheres that we call it as environmental sustainability, social environmental sustainability, and environmental economic sustainability. To achieve the progress towards biodiversity conservation, we have to use these three spheres in a proper manner to improve human well-being and to reduce the different type of the poverty, the eradication of different type of the disease, the eradication, the climatic regulation, everything, the pollution. So this thing can be maintained by using the ecosystem services. We know that every now and then we use all the resources which is available in the nature, and it is now a global need that the maintenance of these ecosystem services it should be there, because that is the goal of our sustainable development. The global goal of the sustainable development is the first to eradicate the poverty, then the food supply should be adequate to all. Education, that is again one of the important. The equality of the gender, the household services, the health services. So all these at a global level we are doing so in such a manner so that we can restore our natural resources, and the earth it can be renewed. So for that reason only, as the human population it is increasing, so does the pressure is there on the ecosystem. Since we draw every more resources from them, so our ecological footprint on the planet is unsustainable and will become unbearable unless we change our consumption pattern and our behavior in general. In past, humans have adapted to changing condition by increasing the productivity, but now we have reached the limits of the Earth's capacity. So today, our only option is to manage the productivity and its resources in sustainable manner by reducing the waste whenever possible, using the principle of adaptive management and taking into account of traditional knowledge that we have in using the resources. Because if we are not going to use in a sustainable manner, so there is a great threat to the biodiversity. And the main threat to our biodiversity are loss, fragmentation, degradation of habitat, the spread of invagination of the species, unsustainable use of natural resources, the climate changes, improper fire regimes, changes to the aquatic environment, and the water flow. So we are definitely, if not going to use in a sustainable manner all those resources, and if we are not going to conserve this biodiversity, the conservation of the biodiversity should be the prime importance, and it can be done by using the in situ and ex situ conservation of the genetic resources, especially of the threatened flora and the fauna. Creation of biodiversity registration is very important. Register is very important at national, district, and local level for documenting the genetic diversity and the association of the traditional knowledge. The management of non-biodegradable waste, which is very crucial to check out the pollution. Then we can put forth many of the laws, that is enforcement of the laws, effective implementation of protective area system under the Wildlife Conservation Act, under the implementation of National Biodiversity Conservation Act 2001, and the awareness programs for all the stakeholders. So we have to do all these things because any sustainable development framework must provide the enabling condition for conservation and sustainable use of the biodiversity, for more equitable sharing of benefit, and for reducing the drives of biodiversity loss. The socio-economic factors, sustainable development. One of the way to reach the balance between the production, consumption, and natural environment in recycling, treated as an essential element of the mutual dependency of dynamic relation between these areas, and thus at the same time an important condition of the human society existence both in global and local dimension. The socio-economic aspect of the sustainable development shows a very broader understood by resolving the problem of ecology, and thus the social and philosophical perspective should be also covered in these years, the values, the attitude, the behavior, as well as the ecological consciousness. Unless and until if we are not going to keep this in mind for the sustainability. The 2010 Living Planet report reveals that humanity ecological footprint has more doubled since 1966 in 2007. The most recent year for data are available. Humanity used to equivalent of 1.5 planets to support its activity. About 300 million peoples they depend upon this forest for their survival, including millions of the indigenous species. So who are almost completely dependent on forest. They do the illegal logging, illegal harvesting of the forest product. These are the serious problems. So rare tree species and those of high value timber, non-timber forest products are of danger and becoming locally extinct. So for that reason only we have to conserve the flora and fauna of by using our natural indigenous methods that we have adopted earlier, so that we can give to our coming generation the handsome sort of the resources which are present in the nature. I conclude with this. The biodiversity we experience today is a result of years of the evolution, billions of the years of evolution is there. Efficiency promote ecosystem conservation and integrated management of natural resources is needed. And the conservation of biodiversity is necessary to challenge population and the economic growth. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm really thankful to all the organizing committee for giving me an opportunity to share my views on sustainable development. I'm really thankful to the director, Professor Vasant Gulabi Reddy, the organizing secretary of this international conference, Professor K.G. Patil sir, all my co-colleagues, and the other. Thank you. Thank you very much.